Hi, good morning, Taidong.
Good morning, Taidong. She lost the key. She forgets the key of her scooter in a hostel.
One more time.
It's 6:20. She need to be on a train station at 6:30, so she lost the train.
Again.
Because she don't have brain.
I have brain.
She have brain, but she don't know how to use it.
I use it.
You use it, but you forget the key, right?
Yeah, right.
Right. Okay. So, what happened now?
I have to change my
You
ticket.
can change-
So
We can have a breakfast together in a few hours.
yes, I have one more breakfast in Taidong.
Yes,
It's a good thing.
it's a good thing. So, good morning, Taidong.
Good morning, Taidong. See you. 结果钥匙被锁在里面。
I have the key. I have the key.
Give me.
I cannot have it.
Give me.
Yeah, I can give you. Too late. Yeah, you have to both it.
为什么我要答应你们做这件事情
Yeah, look at me.
？No.
Look at me. Look at me. Yeah.